Yeah, you might need a touch-up surgery. I'm sorry. There's nothing on the crown. This shape, some people just imagine to have that results. Yeah, the comments are pretty pessimistic actually. Hi, I'm Dr. Razak from Norwood Clinic. I'm a hair transplant surgeon and I am doing this almost for 5 years. Today, we are going to take a look of the Reddit posts, the most interactive and most hot topics that got the people's attention. Let's get into it. 8 months still poor density. I'm not really satisfied. Please tell me I'm a late bloomer. Let's check the before. When I checked the density of the frontal part, it looks pretty good. The density per square centimeters looks good, and you have a thick type of hair. If I was your surgeon, I would be very optimistic about your possible coverage because the density looks good. If the angulation of the incisions set properly, that amount of graft will definitely cover the frontal part perfectly. Let's check your 8 months results. There's nothing on the crown. If it was only about the crown, you complain, and I would definitely say it is still early for the crown to fully grow. The crown maturation takes longer time than the front, but I'm checking your front and it's been 8 months. I mean, if it was like a 5-month period, 6-month period, the growing will take its place. But it's been 8 months and it doesn't really look good. I mean, yeah, there will be more growing. Yes, maybe 20% more growing can happen, but it won't be more than that. Yeah, there must be lots of reasons for this outcome to happen. I wouldn't be too optimistic with this shape in 8 months periods. Let's check what people thinking about it. There's no way that is 5,300 grafts in there. I mean, the photos are pretty far away, so the front looks good, but maybe they kind of tricked you on the crown number. Being a late bloomer, you would still see some decent growth by now, I feel, and honestly, it looks like you haven't had that much growth. Obviously, see what happens in the next 4 months. Yeah, the comments looks they're kind of pessimistic too, like me. Yeah, you might need a touch-up surgery. I'm sorry. Refused by 2 clinics. Long story short, 2 clinics both said the donor site seems too thin, too weak. So I'm checking your hair loss pattern. It looks like you have like solid Norwood type 6 to 7 hair loss. Yeah, you have a pretty large area to cover. All the frontal area completely affected. Mid part, there's almost nothing there. On the crown, yeah, on the frontal part, you had nothing. On the midsection, everything is gone. On the crown or on the outer zone, you have like a decent amount of pre-existing hair still, but the central parts is gone. So I would say that you need for, of course, the hairline level will change everything about the graft consumed. With a decent level of hair lining, you need at least like 7,000 to 7,500 graft to cover everywhere with a decent density. So of course you need two-step surgery. It's impossible to cover everything in one session. You don't need to go 2 clinics to figure that out. Let's check the comments. Yep, I think a hair transplantation isn't for you. Maybe try a hair system or go bald. There's lots of work to do. But I wouldn't say that you're definitely not eligible for the surgery. One of the wave who are cooked bar for real though. Sorry, man. Yeah, the comments are pretty pessimistic actually. Where am I on Norwood scale? If the hair loss affects the frontal part and the crown and the mid scalp is relatively non-affected, then we can call it Norwood type 4. If that bridge between the crown and the front gets weaker and weaker and it slowly disappears, you are going through the Norwood type 5. 7 months progress. Hi, it's been 6 months since my hair transplant. How would you rate the results so far considering it's only halfway through the process? I mean, it can be theoretically half of the way, but doesn't go that way. You see the majority of the growth in 6 to 7 months. Yeah, after the 6 to 7 months, it gets better and better, but it won't be that, the growth pace won't be that high. Let's see, Norwood type 4 to 5 hair loss pattern. I really like the hairline, pretty regular. I like the density, and the survival rate looks pretty high at day 11, they kind of forced your donor area a little bit. There's like always patches. The donor area shape will not look good in 1 month. Yeah, for sure. 2 months, 3 months, yeah. 5 months, yeah. 7 months, yeah. It kind of peaked. I would say that your density and coverage will get better 20% more from this shape, maybe 30%. And that's a very good amount. In this shape, some people just imagine to have that results. It will get better. Let's check the donor area. Take a closer look. You might definitely tell that there has been extraction here, but you are making a fade cuts. So if you don't do that type of hair cutting, it wouldn't show that much.